What makes us build stronger? What makes us build better? The answer is quality. Quality that survives. Quality that sustains. Why are we unique? Why are we the best? The answer is innovation. Continuous innovation, forming a brighter tomorrow. We break boundaries. Think out of the box to provide you with the perfect blend of utility and durability. We are Marmo Solutions. Our journey began in 2013 as a marble and tile solution product company. Our business has grown over the years from stone installation to post-installation services like screeding, adhesives, grouting, stone polishing, sealing, cleaning, joint fillers, and densifiers. Through the years, we have expanded and impacted the whole world with our work. We shine on our exceptional services, outstanding craftsmanship, great customer satisfaction, detailed procedures, phenomenal products, and a strong finishing. Creating a better and indestructible future. Marmo Solutions, building strength with quality and innovation. देश का मजबूत adhesive.